I'm Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to calculate the surface area and volume of a cylinder. So, and by when I mean cylinder, I mean this thing. So we're going to start with the surface area of a cylinder. That's a cool effect. I want to try that again. That's a cool effect. Okay, anyway. So, and here's our cylinder we're working with. So without further ado, I would like you to meet my my round yellow friend. Here's my round yellow friend. No, this is not my round yellow friend. What are you doing in here, Mr. Sun? Let me get rid of your rays right now because we don't need you. I'm just going to be showing you how to calculate them and how we figured them out, kind of. Last ray! Yay! Gone. Okay, so my round yellow friend is actually the circle! And it's interesting because the circle is the only normal shape that has to be calculated with pi, an irrational number, or any irrational number. And when I say normal, like circle, square, stuff like that. So that is the circle. Now, there are other things that are, oh no, that the formula is falling apart. Dang, the formula just fell apart. There are other parts like the circumference, the diameter, the radius, and the circumference. And there are other ones like the arc and the chord, but I'm not going to show you those. Hey! Wait. So how do you calculate the first two sides? The two circles? Well, that's what you do first. So you have to remember the formula pi r squared. So you have to know the radius. And let's say r is 10. And remember area is pi r squared, area is pi 10 squared, area is pi 100 because 10 squared is 100. Let me get the calculator out for calculating pi 100. That is 314.159. Okay. So, and there's a bottom circle, so the calculator is right now showing the amount of area both of the circles take up, but and you have to know the height too later, not now though. So, but what about the middle? How do you calculate the middle part? Well, there's an easy way to do that. So cut along this dotted line. No, not actually, but and this is what it would look like. Right? That's what it would look like. And then if you keep flattening it out, it would look like a rectangle. So that's why you need to know the height. And if you just attach these two circles, and remember these two used to be connected. So that's why you need to know the height. But what about this distance? Well, I'm gonna let that question mark crumble because we actually don't need it. To figure out that, because this arrow is pointing to that circle and the whole cylinder wrapped around that circle, we know that this distance right here is the circumference. So you have to remember the formula. Circumference equals pi times diameter. So that's the radius, which was 10. So it's double that, which is 20. So circumference equals pi times d. Circumference equals pi times 20. And we can get the calculator out. It will come out to 62.8318530711795.865. So you first add those two digits up from the circle and from the circle and what we just calculated. So that plus that So equals 5 plus 9 is 14. So carry the 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. So carry the 1. 10. 1 plus 1 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 8 is 11. Carry the 1. 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So carry the 1. 2 plus 6 is 8, 9. And then we can imagine an imaginary 0 right there. So 6 plus 0 is 6. So we can add the decimal. There we go. So we have 691.1504 is the surface area for that cylinder. So time for the volume of the cylinder. Skid. No. Okay. So here's our cylinder again. So if we turn the cylinder like this, like on its side, we can, and you have to know the radius, which is 8, let's say, and area equals pi r squared, so area equals pi 8 squared, which is pi 64, and we can get the calculator out, which equals 201.061929,829,746767. Okay, so again, know the length, so multiply the length times the area of the circle, and then let's get our another calculator out, and it equals 1005. So the volume of the cylinder is approximately equal to 105 units cubed, because it wasn't exactly 201. I just rounded. So the formulas are, so surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 times pi r squared times c times h, where r equals radius, c equals circumference, and h equals height, and the volume is 2 pi r squared h, where h is height. Okay, so that's it for today. See how to do SoForgiven.com, and see you next time. Bye. Oh, come on! I said don't show those. Show those. Okay, anyway, let me try that again.